Here's how I set up my iSpring's 6-stage reverse osmosis system. We have the discharge here going into the sink basin, and instead of putting the entire unit underneath the sink, what I did was I used the cold water adapter here, and then I ran the line down into the basement where I actually put the unit itself, so we didn't lose all this cabinet space down here. We also we got the iSpring's ice maker kit and made the reverse osmosis system extend to our ice maker, which we love. Okay, here's where I brought the lines down from the kitchen island down into the basement, and here is the splitter I put in that was provided with the ice maker to run the ice line. And then over here is where we mounted the unit itself along with the tank, and we just love this 6-filter system. It's the water quality is excellent. We ran the line down, the discharge line down to our floor drain, and it's been working great, and we're really enjoying drinking the reverse osmosis water system from iSpring.